wrap, but here is the box. It's from Nicole, and this is actually a wedding gift by my fiance or now husband, and it's super super cute. And well, since like the theme is wedding, I think you guys already what color it is, what style. So typically they have one gold. I got this from my other account, so I'm gonna start from that. So this is and then yeah, like I said, before I open, I think it's the one I ripped. But yeah, okay. Sorry, I'm just getting into this already because, like I said, this one's unboxing fun. I swear the bag is beautiful. It has become like an everyday bag to me whenever I go out, but I'm trying to control it because yeah, this is a very very sensitive bag, just like other luxury brands. So it comes in a dust bag, of course, and then I can think you can see it right here. It's a white reissue inspired bag or Chanel reissue inspired bag, and it's so so cute. Now I honestly got this with the plastic here, so not to worry about that. And honestly, this is so beautiful. So it's adorable, right? Like, come on, this is such a perfect wedding bag. It has a back pouch and then there's a turnkey, and I think I don't know if you can see it here, but there's already some use on it. But I don't really care. So I honestly just put these stuffings here. This is stuffing from a different bag, and like I said, I've used this. I already have a hair tie here, and there's a zipper pocket and two pockets here. So I wanted to recommend this right now, especially right now because they are on sale. This is, I think this is less than 600. Yes, this is a less than 600 bag, but it's super super cute. And honestly, I flipped when I saw this because it's the perfect wedding bag. But the funny thing here is I wasn't able to use this to the extent as a wedding bag because, well, it's because in the wedding I wasn't supposed to hold a bag while I was walking the aisle. So that was something that sucked. I was hoping this was the accessory of my wedding gown, and then the aisle would be so perfect. But I guess not. But I was able to use it going home, and I've used it excessively. I just had to be careful because right now I don't think it says white is what I really wanted. But honestly, this goes with every outfit. I just had to be careful, and luckily I barely wear jeans, so there was no problem with that. But this goes with everything. I mean, it's white. Seriously, and like I said, that's one reason actually that I don't really invest in like real designer bags. It's just because I love the craftsmanship, I love the design, I love everything about it. But the problem is, first off, it's too heavy, and this one is light. I could put a lot of things here, and I'm a person who brings a lot of things. When I go to errands, there are things that I still bring. So this is amazing, and like, it fits a lot. I mean, have you seen it? It fits a lot. And yeah, like I said, this is really really nice and helpful. And then another reason is why I don't want to use it is if I get a Chanel wrap in white, whether it's lambskin or caviar, I still prefer the lambskin. Hence why I prefer these kind of designs. You see, there's like some early usage on this bag, but it's okay. I don't really care. I still love it. I mean, you're meant to use your bag, okay? You're meant to. But yeah, like I said, this is beautiful. And the thing is, if you get like a flap bag, and like I said, I prefer lambskin, I have to be careful. Like, seriously, be careful. And if I get something stained on it, and this one, I still try not to stain on this one, I will freaking cry. So yeah, I wanted this so bad.